In this video, I am going to be doing a quick interior detail on this Honda Civic Si. So I'm going to be starting off cleaning the floor mats. I am going to be spraying it with my carpet cleaner and agitate it with my brush. Since there is a large area where there's dirt, I will be spraying it with a water hose to get it out. To me, it looked like it was still dirty in some areas, so I did another pass, but this time I used my extractor. I once again did another pass, used the water hose because as you can see there was still dirt trapped in it. I extracted it afterwards. With less dirty floor mats, I just sprayed it with my carpet cleaner, then agitated it and used my extractor. The water hose was not needed. Before I do any extraction, I need to vacuum all the loose dirt and throw out any garbage from the seats and carpets. Now moving on to the seats. I sprayed it with my cleaner, and on the suede I had to use a soft bristle brush to not damage it. I also tested it on the green part of the seat, but it wasn't doing the job. I ended up having to use my stiffer brush. It is also best to just wipe the suede instead of using an extractor after you finish cleaning it to prevent it from getting ripped. The extractor can be used with the material that is green. Now repeat the same steps with the rest of the seat. When working with a worn out seat like this, you just want to avoid the area to not ruin it even more. Moving on to the carpets, it's basically the same steps as the seats. I sprayed it with my cleaner and agitated it with my softer brush since this material is pretty cheap and will pull out the fibers. If the carpet was dirty, I would have done multiple passes. There was one area where the driver rests their feet and builds up a lot of dirt. I had to do a second pass for this area. The rest of the seats are done the same as the front. I cut out the passenger seat and carpet cleaning to shorten the video's time, but it is done exactly the same. Now with the doors, it's pretty simple. I sprayed my all-purpose cleaner on my detailing brush and just agitated it and wiped it down. On this material of the door panel, I tried a soft bristle toothbrush to see if it'll work, but I ended up using my detailing brush and wiped it down. Now with the steering wheel, I sprayed it on my detailing brush since it's easy to get into the tight spots, and then I just wiped it down. There was some buildup grease on the side of the steering wheel, so I had to do a second pass. With the center console, I sprayed it directly onto it and just agitated it with my detailing brush and wiped it down. Same steps with all the other interior panels. I like to clean these last for some reason. It gives me a good feeling knowing that it's finally ready to apply the interior dressing. I lost the footage of me applying the interior dressing, but on the next video I will definitely have it to be able to see the nice clean shine it gives. Now this is what the extractor picked up from the floor mats, carpets, and seats. And this is the after. If you would like to see more, just like and subscribe. If you want to get your car detailed, send a message to the links below.